Hi friends, this is Devansh, and if you are getting error code 10 in your device manager, then in this video I am going to tell you the methods which can help you to fix the error. The basic reason behind this error is outdated and corrupt driver. So I am going to tell you one and other methods which can help you to fix the error. So please watch this video completely and let's begin.
So the first method is to delete the upper limit and the lower filters of the registry editor. So here firstly type registry editor to open the registry editor. Once the registry editor get open, now you will find the computer H key local machine, which is a location. Now you have to copy and paste this location at the same place so that you can reach to this folder of the name class. So just copy it from the description and paste it here. Once you paste it and press on enter, what you will find, this class folder get open. Now in this class folder you will find multiple GUIDs. Now go to the GUID which ends with 318, click on it. Once you click on it, you will find upper filters and the lower filters key. So just right click on it and click on delete. Once you click on delete, you will get this confirmation. Click on yes. Again click on upper filter, click on delete and delete this by confirming as yes. Once you delete both of this registry editor, what you have to do, you have to close this. You have to close the registry editor and go to this restart option and try to restart your system again. Once your system get restarted again, try to open that device manager and check you are again still getting that code 10 error or not. So this is the method. This is the first method.
Now the next method is try to roll back, update or uninstall the driver. For that you have to go to the device manager, search device manager and open the device manager. Once the device manager get open, what you will find, there are the list of the drivers. Here you will find the driver list like computer, disk drives, firmware, Bluetooth, cameras, and all the devices were present here. And now what you have to do, just remember which device you have updated at last. Go to that device and click on properties and then go to the driver. Now here you will find this rollback driver option enabled. Click on that rollback driver and try to roll back the driver update to the earlier version. Once it reaches to the earlier version, try to check that error is coming or not. If still the error is coming, then go and perform the same methods and come to the update driver option and click on update driver and click on search automatically for the device and update your driver for which you are facing the problem. So this is the second way, just update your driver. And the last method is go and try to uninstall it. To uninstall it, you have to again come to the same position here and you will find the option of the uninstall device. Click on uninstall device and this time try to uninstall it. So by this way you can roll back, update and uninstall your device for which you are getting the error. So perform this method and check error is resolved or not. So this is the second method. So the last method is check for the system update. For that, go to the settings. In setting, you have to go to update and security. In update and security, in the Windows update, click on download to download the existing update. Once the download get complete, again click on check for update. So it will check for the any new updates available for your window and wait till it's checking for the updates. And once this check get complete, it will give you if any update is there or not. For my case, this was the last update which I have done. Now I have to restart now to install this update. So done this, and after that check, still you are getting that code error code 10 or not. So these are all the methods which can help you to fix the error. If any of this method help you, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.